Alright guys, welcome to my first tutorial, and today I'll be showing you some tricks on FLSTUDIO, and this is a real keeper. So in order to save time on doing your productions, what you should do is set up a template, right? So you know you're going to be using certain synths. So let's say you like Styrus, let's say you like, uh, you know, all the good ones. Flex is good. So start off setting up your template with all the plugins you like. Uh, you can always add more or add less or whatever you want to do. Let's go for an FPC. Right. So once you've got, I'm just going to do the basics. You can obviously do more if you want to. Um, So once you've got that set up, then what you should do is route each and every one of them to its own channel so that you can mix their volumes separately. So let's start off with Styrus. Styrus is going to go to channel 1. At channel 1, you can set up your effects already. So set up your compressors, all that sort of stuff that you want to do. You can just get a sort of general feel, set up a general sort of compression on the stuff as you like it. And once you have done that on the first channel, so that Styrus set up on channel 1, don't worry, I know that I see the drum channel is already set up on channel 1. We will move that to 0, and then we'll put Flex on number 2, right, and we do the same thing, and Ogon will go to channel 3, and FPC will go to channel 4. Right, so that's the basics of it, but now let's get a little bit more in depth. So let's say pattern 1, you're going to do whatever. Let's disregard pattern 1. So your second pattern, let's say you're going to do leads or synth in. So let's call it intro. Okay, cool. And let's say your second track is going to be synth. And your third one is going to be synth 2. So yeah, synth 2, the next one would be synth 3. Give yourself some room. You definitely want to do at least 3 to 5 variations of each one so that you've got some room in your production so that you can, add some variation. Once you've done all that sort of stuff, so you'll now see that your different synths are routed to your different channels over here in your mixer, and you press F9 to bring up your mixer window. And you've set up your compression on that. So you've basically set up an entire project, just the shell of it. And once you've done all of that, you just go File, Save as Template. And that's it. That's all you need to do. And now what you do is once you've saved it as a template, you go File, New from Template, and your template will appear here. And that just makes your production so much more streamlined, so much faster, because you can literally start making your music then and there already. That helps me a lot in my productions to just make music faster. I don't have to do all the boring sort of, intricate stuff. I can literally jump right into music production. I hope that helped, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.